We're asked if x plus 5 is a factor of all this. To find out, we can take this and divide it by x plus 5. And if we don't have a remainder, it's a factor. Just like if you take the number 21. We know, sorry, I was thinking ahead. 21. If you divide 21 by 7, we know it's a factor because there's no remainder. It's just 3. So likewise, if this is a factor of this, we should be able to divide the two and have no remainder. So synthetic division might be the quickest way to do this. Synthetic division starts by putting the thing that makes your divisor be a 0 in a bracket. Again, I just looked at what I was dividing by. -5 would make that be a 0. And then you copy down the coefficients of the polynomial you're trying to divide. 1, 7, 7, -15. Then we can divide. Give yourself a little space. Carry down the first one so you have something to work with. And then this is the process that you'll repeat with synthetic division. Multiply -5 times 1 to make -5. And then add the column. Then repeat. -5 times 2 makes -10. Then add the column. -5 times -3 makes 15. Then add the column. And look, we didn't get a remainder. So our answer is yes, x plus 5 is a factor of this. I mean, and if they wanted to know what the polynomial looked like after you divide it, I started with x to the third, so we're going to say 1x to the second plus 2x minus 3. That's the quotient after you divide those two numbers.